Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off profile views on TikTok. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up the TikTok app here, and if you have the latest version of TikTok, it now supports the ability to have profile views. You can see exactly who's viewed your profile, but other people can see if you viewed their profile as well. So if you want to turn that off, you want to have a little bit more privacy on TikTok. You can do so by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right here, and then you can see at the top right next to the three lines is a little eye symbol, and those are profile views. So you can tap on that, and you can see who's viewed my exact profile. And if I want to turn it off, there's a gear icon at the very top right here. I'll tap on that. And then it says Profile View History. See who viewed your profile in past 30 days and allow other people to see that you viewed theirs. Only you can see who viewed your profile. You can turn this off at any time, so I'll just toggle that off. And now it won't show me who's viewed my profile, but it also won't show other people that I have viewed their profile. So it kind of keeps all of that private. If you want to keep whose profile you're seeing private and not share that with anyone. I hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.